get made out of way.
That's another maiden out the way.
No, once you get made out of way, they go in.